Hello students, welcome to Boundless Maths, where we nurture and learn mathematics beyond boundaries. In today's video, we are going to have a look at a technique that can be used to solve algebraic division within seconds. Yes, you heard it right, within seconds. The technique is called PARAVARTYA YOJAYET. It is an ancient 5,000-year-old technique, a Vedic Maths technique that has been used over the years in numerous ways, and today we are going to have a look at how to use it for algebraic division. The technique PARAVARTYA YOJAYET means transpose and apply. Now let's see how to apply it for algebraic division. So the question is x cube plus 7x square plus 14x plus 8 to be divided by x plus 2. First, let's try to solve this question using the conventional method that is normally taught in schools and the way we have been doing algebraic division so far. So I'll just start a timer and let's note the time taken to solve this using the conventional way. So the question is x cube plus 7x square plus 14x plus 8 to be divided by x plus 2. You compare the first term of dividend with the divisor. So the first term of quotient will be x square into x is x cube plus 2x square, change the sign, this gets cancelled, 7 minus 2 is 5, so it is 5x square, bring down the next term, that is 14x. Now the next term of the quotient will be 5x, 5x square upon x is 5x. So next 5x square plus 2 into 5x gives me 10x. And again you change the sign, this gets cancelled, 14 minus 10 is 4x. Bring down the last term, that is 8. 4x divided by x gives you 4. So this is 4x plus 4 to the 8. Again change the sign and cancel both these terms. So the remainder is 0. So it took us 1 minute 8 seconds to solve this question, more than 1 minute. Now let me solve this first using the Vedic Maths technique. I'll just solve it and you just watch the time taken to solve it and then I'll explain how I solved it. So let me reset the timer and start it again. Done in 20 seconds. Yes, so it is almost 3 times faster. So the quotient is the same, x square plus 5x plus 4 and the remainder is 0. Now how we do it, how I did this in 20 seconds, let's have a look at it. So first I have written all the coefficients of all the terms in the dividend. So here it is 1, here 7, here 14 and here 8. 1, 7, 14 and 8. Now I write the roots of the divisor. If I equate this to 0, it becomes x equals minus 2. So that means I need to write my divisor only the numeric part, that too with an opposite sign. Because it is x plus 2, I have to write here minus 2. Now you bring down the first term as it is 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So I have written here minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Now 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. So I have written minus 10. 14 and minus 10 makes it 4. So I multiply minus 2 into 4, I get minus 8. 8 and minus 8 makes it 0. So now because the dividend had the highest degree of 3, it was x cube here. So while writing the quotient, I will start from 1 degree lesser. The coefficient is 1, so it is 1x square, then 5x and then 4. So this becomes my quotient and the remainder is the last term that I get here, so that is the remainder. Interesting? Is it amazing? Yes, it is. Once you start solving questions like this, you won't feel like doing algebraic division like conventional way at all. So let's have a look at another example. The question is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 1. If you have understood the technique, pause the video, try to solve it on your own, otherwise you continue. So we first write all the coefficients of the dividend, that is 2, 3, minus 5, 1. Make these two lines. Here it is minus 2, so I will write here plus 2. Bring down the first term as it is. 2 into 2 is 4. Next 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 2s are 14. minus 5 and 14 is 9, 9 to the 18, 18 and 1 is 19. So that means the remainder is 19 and the quotient is 2x square plus 7x plus 9. Understood now? Yes. So let's have a look at the next question. 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x minus 5 and the divisor is x plus 3. So again we start by writing the coefficients of all the terms in the dividend. Done? Write the divisor because it is plus 3, so we need to write here minus 3. Now be very careful when this divisor is minus 3. Bring down 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 9. 9 and 2 makes it 11, minus 11. Now minus into minus is plus, 11 3s are 33, 37. Minus 111 and it is minus 116. So that means the remainder here is minus 116 and the quotient is 3x square minus 11x plus 37. Amazing. Yes? Yes, it is amazing. Next question. Pause this video and try this on your own and then cross check your answer. Done? Great. So let's do it. 1, minus 6, 11 and minus 6. X minus 1, so I am going to write here plus 1. Bring down this 1, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 again, 11 minus 5 is 6, 6 ones are 6, so the remainder is 0 and the quotient is x square minus 5x plus 6. Got the correct answer? Wonderful. If you got the correct answer, just continue and solve these 3 questions on your own. Pause this video right away and solve these three questions. You can start a timer and see how much time you need. You will be able to solve them within 1 minute. So let's see what the answers are. 1, 5, 8, 4 and here the divisor is minus 2. 1 into minus 2, this makes it 3, minus 6, I get 2 here, minus 4, remainder is 0 and the quotient is x square plus 3x plus 2. Got it right? Wonderful. Let's do the second one. So the coefficients are 2, minus 3, 1, minus 2 and the divisor is minus 1 here, so I'll write it 1. Bring down 2, 2 ones are 2. Minus 1, 0 and the remainder is minus 2 whereas the quotient is 2x square minus x. Got the correct answer? Wonderful. So let's cross check the third one also. The coefficients are 1, 2, minus 5, minus 6 and the divisor is minus 3. So here it is a negative number, so be careful with negative numbers. 1 into minus 3 is, so first I will bring down 1, then 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, it becomes minus 1, minus into minus is plus and here I get 3. Minus 5 and 3 is minus 2, again minus into minus is plus, 3 to the 6 plus 6. So that means the remainder is 0 and the quotient is x square minus x minus 2. So here are the answers for all the 3 questions. If you got all of them correct, comment Vedic Master below. You have understood the Vedic technique for algebraic division. Great. So this is what we have in today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for getting updates on more Vedic maths techniques to make your problems easier. Because whenever you are struggling with mathematics, it is the technique that makes the difference when you are solving questions. Especially for grade 9, 10, 11 and 12, time saving is very critical when you are solving questions or when you are attempting your exams or even for your entrance exams. So subscribe to the channel and keep watching more videos on more Vedic maths techniques. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.